Getting right into it, we're going to use our 2-guard all the way open to debulk the sides, and then with our trimmers, we're going to go in and create that burst shape around the ear, balding out anything we see below that. Next, we're going to go in, lever all the way open with no guard, and create about a finger's width level following that burst shape, and then closing our clipper up and starting to buff away at that line, gradually opening up the lever. Then with our 1.5, we're going to go in closed and create our second level, and finally detailing that line out with the half guard, opening and closing the lever as I see fit. Then with our thinning shears, we're going to connect the sides to the top, pulling away the closer we get to the parietal ridge. Last but not least, we're going to go in with our 1-guard, opening and closing the lever and detailing any lines left in the fade. And then with our thinning shears, we're going to go in and point cut any dark spots we see, and round the back off with our trimmers, bald out with our shavers, and there you go.